welcome to TC Electronics. Hope you all are doing good. So today in this video, we are going to see a Government of India site where you can find a lot of internships and 100% true and authenticated jobs. Okay, so this site is called internship.aictindia.org. So here you can actually find a lot of internships, work from home internships, and also other type of internships for all the category of students and also for freshers. And also you can find a lot of data entry related jobs and other fresher jobs. Okay, so if you are interested, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel. Also follow us on our Instagram page. So this is a Government of India site. It is actually a joint venture of Government of India and AICTE. So we have already done a video on TULIP program. So this program, the registration of this site and everything is called TULIP. And we have already done a video on the TULIP program, how to register to it, and what are the benefits that you are going to get. All those things we have done as a separate video. I'll be posting the link of that video in description, so you can check it there also. Now today in this video, we are going to see how to find internships and what are the various sort of internships available and how all you can search in the site. Okay, so this is the site which is called internship.aicte. Now here, first let us see what are the various categories of internships which you can find. So there are TULIP internships, there are social justice and empowerment related internships, then Cisco internships, corporate internships, then internships by Jugaad Funda, then aerospace internship, white hat junior internships. So these are the various categories of internships that you can see here, and there is opening under most of the categories. I'm not saying all the categories are having openings currently, but for most of the categories you can find openings. And also apart from this, you can use the search bar and you can directly search here whichever category you are belonging to, or also if you are interested in data entry related jobs, you can search that directly here. And another thing you can use is here you can see based on various states of India. Another thing that you can use here is, see here, there is based on the various states of India and the various cities in that state, they have posted internships. Okay, so you can also explore based on the state whichever you are belonging to. Okay, so here one of the biggest advantages of using or searching in this site is, since it is Government of India site, you can find only true and verified companies here. So there is no chance of going into a scam on a 90%. Okay, you can actually assure 90% true and authenticated notifications in this site. I'm not saying 100% because there are sometimes a slight chance of scam also, but they are actually using a tagline which I'll be showing you later, that only they are posting the internships and jobs of verified companies. Okay, so first we are going to see this corporate internship session. So I'm going to click on it. Now you can see the corporate internships. So these internships, they are mainly calling for the engineering categories. That is engineering students, whichever branch you are belonging to. All the second year and third year students are eligible here. Okay, so if you open these various posts, you can see various openings are here. And if you see the details, you can see mainly they are concentrating on the engineering category. See here. This is a skill training internship. It is a part-time internship. It is for 6 months. Stipend is also there. For most of the internships, you will get stipend. There is also non-stipended internships also, but after the completion of that internship, you will get a certificate. Okay. And also last date of application they have given here. Now, who all can apply? Let's see that session. Second and third year engineering student are eligible. Okay. So mostly for the corporate internships, they are looking for engineering category. So if you are belonging to an engineering background, you can look in the corporate internship session. Okay. Next, there is also white hat junior internships. Let's see that. Here, there is internship for content writer. But you can see the last date was on 31st of May. So it has expired. Now, if you are interested in doing internship in this area, you can actually wait for some time. They'll be posting new internships which are coming. Okay. Then again, there is internships by Jugaad Funda. So here you can see internships. The last date is 15th of June. There is actually opening. You can apply for it, but it is a non-stipended program. Okay. And another important feature here is virtual internship. You can also find a lot of virtual internships. Means you can do the internship from your home itself. It is like a work from home kind of a thing. Okay. So you can do these internships or jobs from your home itself. So if you are looking for a part-time job or consider that you are interested in working for 2 to 3 months, you are free for 2 to 3 months, and then you are interested in doing some job and earning some money, means you can always explore this site. Okay. Now consider that you are interested in data entry or that related area. So I'll tell you how to search. So just click on this corporate internship, or you can directly use the first search bar and type data entry here, and then click on search icon. You can get a lot of data entry related internships. Okay. So these are the internships which are available. Based on the date of application, whichever has not expired, you can apply for it. Okay. So these are the various internships for data entry related post. Okay. See, last date is 30th of June. So there is time. Again, a lot of other available internships you can find. Okay. Data entry related jobs, not just internships, you can also find some part-time jobs here. Okay. So it will be given that whether it is stipended or it is paid or not. Okay. If it is not paid, means they'll be giving like this. See here, unpaid. Okay. Duration also you can find, and also last date of application you can find. Now, if you see the tagline of this site, they have given that nothing but authentic and verified companies. Okay. So only the verified companies, their jobs they are posting in this site. So you can trust the site and you can always apply for it. Okay. So a lot of openings are there, whether you're looking for a part-time job or if you are interested in doing an internship, then you can always look for new openings in this site. Okay. So please do register to this site. Please do see the openings available and have a regular check to this site. And if some opening is coming favorable to you, you can apply for it. Okay. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. A lot of people has actually asked for internships and part-time jobs. So all these categories, whether you are belonging to engineering background or some other background, these data entry related jobs are actually applicable for other candidates also. So if you're a fresher or if you are studying in engineering background or some other backgrounds, you can always look for internships and part-time jobs here. Okay. So please do check the site and apply for whichever post is coming favorable to your way. You can apply for it. Okay. So that's all for today's video. If you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.